Today I'm making an Asian chicken salad inspired by this topping. Hey friends, it's Kelly M. Welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, like I said, I found this. It's called Salad Pizzazz. It is an Asian sesame ginger topping. It has sesame glazed cashews, roasted pepitas, garlic ginger wontons, honey roasted almonds. It just sounded really good. I got it at Food Lion. I'm sure you can get this anywhere. I'll make sure I have a link to it for a couple different places in case you don't have a Food Lion. I don't know what it was. I was getting those jalapeno toppers and I spotted these and I'm like, oh, I could really go for an Asian salad. So this has inspired today's recipe. So we're gonna go ahead and make an Asian chicken recipe or salad. So let me stop talking. We'll go over all the ingredients and we'll get started. Alrighty, so for the salad, we're gonna use 1 head of romaine lettuce, and I've got 2 cups of a coleslaw mix. I have some shredded carrots. I just have a little small thing of mandarin oranges. I have a cucumber diced up. I have 2 cups of chicken. I have 1 red bell pepper thinly sliced, and then I have 2 green onions. We have some olive oil, rice vinegar, sesame oil, honey. You can use fresh ginger if you wanted. I have the brown ginger, so I didn't bother buying the fresh. Some soy sauce, garlic, and then of course those Asian sesame ginger toppers. And friends, this is all the ingredients we're going to be using, so let's get started. Alrighty, so get yourself a nice large bowl because you're going to need it. As I said, this is 1 head of romaine lettuce, and we're just dumping it right in here. This is like the easiest salad to make ever. You just need to do a little bit of prep. I did all this last night, chopped everything up. Then I have 2 cups of the coleslaw mix. It does have a little bit of the shredded carrot in there and the cabbage. And you can use regular cabbage if you want. You don't have to buy the coleslaw mix. Go ahead and mix that up together real quick. Oh, don't fly it out of the bowl, Kelly. Oh my goodness, friends. Always, always, always. Let's give that a good mix. Now we're going to go ahead in and put our carrots. I will have the recipe in the description box for you, so you do not need to worry about that. Mix that up. Look how pretty that looks already. Isn't that gorgeous? This would be a great 4th of July salad. Something different than what you normally have. Now let's add our 2 spring onions. And our 1 red pepper thinly sliced. Give that a good mix. Ooh, very colorful. Loving that. This is going to be my lunch for today, by the way. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our cucumber. I like small pieces, so I sliced it and then cut it in quarters. I just prefer it that way. You do how you do, but I just, oh my goodness, Kelly, I just prefer it like that. And I think it looks prettier too, just my personal opinion. All right, now we're going to add our 2 cups of chicken. This is just rotisserie chicken that I buy like a 3-pound pack from Costco. And then I divide it up and freeze it in my freezer, so that way I always have chicken ready for whenever I need it, and it's perfect for this salad. Alrighty, and then last but not least is my, let me drain some of that off. I thought I got it all. My mandarin oranges. And I just buy those individual cups. My son loves these, so I buy them and use what I need, and then he eats the rest. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this aside, and we're going to work on the dressing now. Alrighty, now I'm going to double my dressing recipe, so just wanted to let you know that. So we're going to do 6 tablespoons of the rice vinegar. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to do 4 tablespoons of the olive oil. And like I said, I am doubling. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, or actually 2 because it calls for 1. We're gonna do 2. And 2 of the honey. I had to put my honey in the microwave because it's getting, you know how it gets weird. Hopefully I can get my hands, oh, I hate this. This thing's so huge. Okay, there's 1. I can barely hold this thing, it's so heavy. I'm not joking. Alright, oh lordy lordy. Alrighty, so that was 2 tablespoons of honey. Now we're going to do 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. 1 and a 2. And now we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon, or excuse me, a 1/2 teaspoon. I have a 1/4 out, but we need to do a 1/2 of the ginger. And then we're going to do some garlic. It's like 2 cloves of garlic. You know me, I love garlic. I just dump that bad boy in there. And let's mix. I got that honey in the bottom there that needs to really get mixed well. It smells really good. Ooh. Mmm. That was a little excessive, wasn't it? Oh my gosh. Oh, Kelly. Oh, look at that. This was easy. We're done other than just making our salad. I prefer to put my dressing on my salad individually. I don't like to put it on and then mix it all up and serve it, because when you have leftovers it gets soggy and I just don't like it. So I'm just going to put mine on separately. All right. And our toppings. So there you have that. So let's go ahead and do a salad and see what we think of it. Alrighty, let's get some of this delicious salad. Here we go. Yum. Like I said, this is going to be my lunch today. It's going to be delicious. I know it. I'm making a mess. Go. And then we're going to take some of these here. Like I said, I'll link these. Oh, look at that. Oh. Then I put my dressing in one of these little containers. Look at the mess I made. Oh my gosh. Seriously, Kelly. Shake it up really good and then pour some over top. And I just poured it on the counter. Yes, I did. Alrighty, let's do a taste test. Alrighty, as always, there'll be a close-up picture at the end. Let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. I'm dropping everything. My goodness, Kelly. Oh my. It tastes so fresh. A fresh, crispy salad. Friends, a hot day, barbecue cookout. Keep it refrigerated. It's nice and cold. Bring it out, and oh, it is really delicious. I can't wait to finish this. So friends, like I said, perfect salad for the summertime. You saw how easy it is. I prepped last night. I just cut everything up, put it in bowls, put it in the fridge. It's so easy to make. I mean, literally, you can do it the night before if you're having a party the next day. That way you don't have to deal with mixing, cutting everything up. And it really didn't. I bought the shredded cabbage. I bought the shredded carrots. You know, you can even buy the romaine lettuce if you want in a bag. You don't even have to get that and cut it up. So it's easy, simple, easy. So friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.